In this video, I will show you how to turn off autocorrect on your devices. In this tutorial, you will see how to turn off autocorrect on iPhone and on any Android device. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Let's see for now how to turn off autocorrect on an iPhone. On your iPhone's home screen, locate and tap on the Settings app icon, which resembles a gear. Scroll down the list of settings categories and tap on General to access general device settings. Under the General settings, tap on Keyboard to access keyboard-related settings. Toggle off autocorrection. Under the keyboard settings, locate the toggle for autocorrection and slide it to the left. This will immediately disable the automatic correction feature on your iPhone's keyboard. Turn off auto capitalization. If you also find automatic capitalization annoying, you can disable it by sliding the toggle to the left next to auto capitalization in the keyboard settings. Enable check spelling. While autocorrect may be frustrating, spell check can still be helpful in catching typos. Make sure the toggle next to check spelling is turned on so you can easily identify and correct any spelling errors. This is how you can turn off autocorrect on your iPhone. Now that we have shown how to turn off autocorrect on iPhone, we need to continue with any Android device. Follow these simple steps to disable autocorrect on your Android device. Please be aware that every keyboard on Android has its own settings for autocorrect. In this video, I will talk about two keyboards, but the process should be the same for most of the keyboards on Android. The first step is to locate the Settings app on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. The icon typically looks like a gear. Scroll down and look for System or General Management, depending on your Android version and device manufacturer. In the System or General Management menu, tap on Keyboard if you have these options. You can also look for Language and Input or Languages and Input. This will open the settings related to your keyboard and language preferences. Tap on the on-screen keyboard. You'll see a list of keyboards. Tap on your current keyboard. For most users, this will be Gboard, Google Keyboard, or Samsung Keyboard, or maybe SwiftKey. In the keyboard settings, look for text correction or smart typing options. Find the auto correction setting and toggle the switch to the off position. The switch will turn from blue to gray. While you're in the keyboard settings, you might also want to adjust other options such as predictive text or spell check. Toggle any of these options off by tapping the switch next to them if you prefer not to use these features. Now, if we go back to the list of keyboards, you can disable this feature for every other keyboard. We'll do so with SwiftKey. I will tap on SwiftKey. On this keyboard, the option you need to look at is typing. Here you can find the auto correction toggle. Turn it off and this will do the trick. Now open any app that uses the keyboard, such as Messages, Notes, or Email, to ensure that autocorrect is turned off. Type a few words to see if the autocorrect feature has been successfully disabled. You've successfully turned off autocorrect on your Android device. Now you can type without interruptions from autocorrect. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.